golden rice, tender chicken, smoky chorizo, and that glorious crackle from the bottom of the pan. Today, we're making chicken and chorizo paella with saffron. Let's cook. This isn't just a one-pan dinner, it's a Spanish celebration. The heart of this dish is the Socarrat, that crispy, caramelized bottom layer of rice that's the ultimate prize. We're building layers of flavor, starting with smoky chorizo that stains everything it touches red, and finishing with delicate saffron for that unmistakable floral aroma and golden hue. It looks impressive, but it's surprisingly simple. The secret? Patience, and one very important rule: don't stir the rice. Pat your chicken thighs dry. Wet chicken is sad chicken. Season generously. Heat oil in a 12-inch skillet until shimmering. Add the chicken and chorizo, leave it alone. Fun fact, Spanish chorizo has been made with pimentón for centuries, ever since paprika arrived from the Americas. As it cooks, it releases that incredible red oil that'll coat every grain. Let it brown slightly, 6 to 8 minutes per side. That golden crust is the Maillard reaction, hundreds of flavor compounds forming. It doesn't need to be cooked through. It'll finish in the rice. Remove to a plate. See those browned bits? That's liquid gold. Do not wipe the pan. Add onion. Sauté 5 minutes until soft. Add garlic and smoked paprika. 1 minute only, garlic burns fast. Watch it. Add arborio rice. Toast it 2 minutes. This keeps grains separate. Fun fact, rice came to Spain with the Moors in the 8th century. Your cooking history. Steep a generous pinch in warm broth for 10 minutes. Those threads are releasing crochet for color and saffronal for that honeyed aroma. Skip this, you've got yellow rice. Do it right, you've got paella. Add tomatoes, then 3 cups broth and that saffron liquid. Season. Taste the broth, last chance to adjust. Bring to a gentle boil, then simmer. Nestle chicken back in, scatter frozen peas on top. Cover. And here's the most important instruction. Do not stir. Stirring releases starch. Starch makes glue. Glue is not paella. That bottom crust you're not disturbing, that's the Socarrat, the crispy prize of traditional Valencian paella. 25 minutes on low, then off heat covered 10 more minutes. Flavors meld. The Socarrat forms. Perfection. Squeeze fresh lemon over everything, not optional. Parsley for color. Then taste. Smoky, floral, savory with sweet pops of peas. The rice is tender but distinct. The Socarrat crackles. Comfort food that thinks it's fancy. Chicken and chorizo paella with saffron, restaurant quality in 45 minutes. And if the Socarrat doesn't form, still dinner, still delicious. This is Food Illustrated. And as always, enjoy the process of illustration on your plate.